Okay, so duck. So are these duckies from that fight good? Are they like okay? Yes, they are, Master. Okay, that's good. What? What was that? I think someone broke down the walls. But who would? I don't think the Halo guys would do it. They don't have RPGs. They don't have crazy weapons though. Like a golden sniper. But our doors are bomb-proof. So what if something did break in, then how? I'm not the engineer of this place. Maybe you can ask Justin, because he's the engineer in this duck place. So yeah, I'll give these techniques medicine. Okay, so what do you want? What do you want? Oh, hi, Master. Vice Master, I guess. You guys have to go. Remember Joe? Joe Bob the Duck? Yeah? Yeah, him. Yeah. Remember we got him that astro suit? Yeah. He's not evil. I know, he's gonna kill us all. Oh! Then what are we waiting for? We should hide. Yeah, that is true, but I don't think we have hiding spaces here. We do have those hidden bunkers outside. True. But he'll see us. We only have one entrance. And he's by that entrance. I don't know what we're gonna do then. Oh, he's getting closer. So bye. Why do explosions hurt? Grenade. Run for your lives! I'm cured, by the way. Why hasn't that grenade gone off yet? Take cover! Oh, it was a nuke. That makes sense. Go through that grenade. Hi, Joe Bob. Listen. What? Why would you blame it on me? Ah! Sir, please, this is unnecessary. No, it is not. Is bro really that slow? He needs to catch up to him. Why did you shoot me, purple dude? Actually, my name is Ethereal.